This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your V-Band to your phone. First, make sure your V-Band device has a full charge, which typically takes about 2 hours. Next, download the correct companion application from your phone's App Store. Search for your specific V-Band model. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your phone, as this is essential for the V-Band to be found and connected. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup. Now, open the V-Band companion application you just installed on your smartphone. The app will guide you through searching for available devices. Select your specific V-Band model from the list that appears. You might see a pairing request pop up on both your phone and the V-Band itself. Simply confirm this request on both devices to establish the secure connection. This process usually takes less than 1 minute. With your V-Band successfully paired, it will automatically begin synchronizing data with the application. This includes your activity, sleep, and heart rate information. Take some time to explore the App Settings menu, where you can personalize notification preferences, set daily activity goals, and manage other features. Remember to regularly check for firmware updates within the app to keep your device performing at its best and access new functionalities. If you encounter any connection issues, don't worry, there are simple solutions. First, try restarting both your phone and your V-Band device. Also, ensure your V-Band is within a close range, typically about 10 meters, of your phone for a stable Bluetooth connection. If problems persist, reinstalling the companion application can often resolve stubborn issues. These steps usually fix most common connection glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.